The weaver bird is a fascinating species known for its remarkable nest-building skills. Weaver birds belong to the family Plosidae, which includes over 60 species found in sub-Saharan Africa, Asia, and some parts of Europe. One of the most distinctive features of weaver birds is their intricate nests, which are often woven from grass, leaves, and other plant materials. These nests can vary in size and complexity, depending on the species. Weaver birds use their strong bills and feet to weave intricate patterns and secure the nest to branches or reeds. Male weaver birds typically construct the nests to attract females during the breeding season. They often build several nests, showcasing their weaving abilities to potential mates. Once a female chooses a nest, she will line it with softer materials and lay her eggs inside. Weaver birds are also known for their highly social behavior, often living in colonies or large groups. Within these groups, they communicate through various vocalizations and displays. Several species of weaver birds are popular among bird enthusiasts and are commonly kept in aviaries due to their colorful plumage and interesting behaviors. However, habitat loss and other environmental factors pose threats to some populations of weaver birds, leading to conservation concerns for certain species.